Southern Hills Autonomous District Council na sinaduna Maygi tang tarup numidda distribution program pangthokre. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen na Thoramgi mapu oibikhi. Mahakna Southern Hills Autonomous District Council gi manungchan na leiba school singbu furniture, stationery amasong sports item yauna yengthokhi. Makhatana 50 Kangpokpi Assembly Constituency gi manungda leiba farmers singgidamak farm equipments, agricultural seeds, fertilizers, sprayer pump, dustbin su yentokhi. Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission MSRLM na sinaduna mahaki Thongtin Block SDO Office Thongtin Cycle da launch tokhi. Thoram aduda Cycle Assembly Constituency gi MLA Kimneo Hangsing, SDO Thongtin Samuel Misau, Hezao Misau Director Inside Northeast, Pulet Gin Dongel District in Charge, respected village chief amasong church leaders sing na saruk yakhe. Thoram aduda Cycle Assembly Constituency gi MLA Kimneo Hangsing na hai asigumba maru oiba khongthang asigi pandam oina leita lairaba yumsingda self-help group ki khudong chaba financial inclusion amadi sustainable livelihoods promote tobane. Asigumba initiative asina infrastructure development, market linkages amadi rural area gi nahasingda skill development amadi entrepreneurship gi khudong chaba kaya pigadori bani. Leiriba communities singbu mapangan haptuna lakadoriba future da isa iromdam lepcheraga hotnaduna afaba khunai ama semba ngamnaba maru oiba khongthang amani hai. LNS Compassionate Healthcare Hairiba Cycle Assembly Constituency gi ahanba private hospital Cycle Hilltown da MLA Kimneo Hangsing na inaugurate tokhi. Thoram aduda Pastor Hagin Misauna dedication prayer su lokhatli. Cycle Assembly Constituency gi MLA Kimneo Hangsing na asigumba public gi awaba hantanaba layingbagi mafam puthokpa Dr. John Lupeng amasong magi teambu thamoishengna appreciate tokhi. Manipur State Power Corporation Limited amasong IQST Presidency College Motbungna khutsamnaduna PM Surya Ghar Program gi Thoram Seminar Hall Presidency College Motbungda pangthokre. Thoram aduda PM Surya Ghar campaign gi saruk ama oina student singa interaction program su chathari. Mrs. Lucy Tauthang Deputy Manager MSP DCL degi keynote address amasung Mr. Khaute Netginson Vaipe Manager MSP DCL, Dr. Seikho Hau Kipgen Principal Presidency College Motbung, Dr. Hoipi Haukip Assistant Professor Department of History and Coordinator IQSC Singna Thoramga Marilena Wahai Khara Thamki. Kangpokpi da hokhiba April gi tang Kunmarida Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission ga IRMA NGO amadi TY Chongi SDO ga khutsamnaduna block level awareness gi program ama TY Chong gi community hall da pangthokhi. Program aduda SDO Samuel Misau yauna village authority amadi khunja sing yauna saruk yakhe. Program adugi maru oiba pandam oina miyamda awareness pikhi. Khunja singda awareness pikhiba wapam sing adudi lairaba hantha hannaba hotnaba lairaba gi khudong chadaba mayam kamdona thengnaba amadi hojik lairaba miyoi singna makhoigi hingliba punsi asidagi henna afaba nungaiba punsi ama oiraknabagi hotnaminnaba mateng pangminnaba asina chingba wapam kaya marum khannaki. Hokhiba April gi tang kunmathoi da Kangpokpi da leiba Eklavya Model Residential School ga District Health Society Kangpokpi ga khutsamnaduna eye checkup camp ama school adugi campus da pangthokre. Camp aduda satra chahum henna mid checkup toba lakhi. Camp aduda Kangpokpi gi Chief Medical Officer Dr. Paukai Kipgen, Ophthalmologist DRP Jenims digi Dr. Abhik Basu Ray, PHC Motbungi Assistant Ophthalmic Oiriba Haimilne Lodzem, ANM FHW PHC gi Ningnolhin Kipgen amadi PHC Gampazol gi staff nurse yauna eye checkup gi camp adu pangthokhi. Matungda school adugi principal in charge Kaingul Sithlauna District Health Society amadi team members singbu asigumba camp organize tawbiba gidamak thagatpa phongdokhi.